Back in 2015, Amazon rolled out its innovative Dash buttons, which were little oval electronic devices that you could stick somewhere and reorder a specified amount of product by pressing its button. It was geared for Amazon Prime members to let them rapidly reorder home supplies like laundry detergent, coffee, juice, and cleaning items. Amazon discontinued its Dash buttons this past February after a German court ruled that they violate the country's consumer protection laws in that their press-to-buy mechanism fails to provide enough information about a product's price. Existing Dash buttons will continue to operate, however. While the Dash button is no more, the Dash is far from dead. Last week, Amazon launched a similar concept offering, the Amazon Dash Smart Shelf, a Wi-Fi connected smart scale aimed for keeping small business supplies in stock. The concept is essentially the same as the button. At 1 inch tall and available in 7 by 7 inch, 12 by 10 inch, and 18 by 13 inch sizes, the electronic shelf can be placed on any surface you'd keep supplies on. You power it with its plug or with batteries, connect it to Wi-Fi, and use your Amazon Business account or the Amazon mobile app to determine which item you'll use it for, such as printer paper, coffee products, cleaners, or Post-it notes. The shelf then senses the weight of the items and determines when you're running low. Connecting through Amazon shopping services, you can either have the shelf automatically reorder that product to arrive on time, or provide you with low inventory notifications so that you can reorder it yourself. Amazon says the shelf is designed to avoid accidental automatic reorders if the items are temporarily removed. Branded as the scale that keeps businesses stocked, the Dash Smart Shelf is currently being tested with selected partners this month. It will be available to Amazon Business customers who have a registered US business license starting in 2020. No consumer plans have been announced so far. Amazon is currently offering businesses using the Dash Smart Shelf a discount of up to 15% on certain items like Keurig and Folgers coffee, Kind snack bars, Hammer Mill paper, and products from 3M and Kimberly-Clark Professional. I'm Mike Hockett, and this is IEN Now.